The User Journey Workspace is by default selected when you start StressTester. At any other time, it can be navigated to by clicking the User Journeys button on the Workspace navigation panel. When you first install StressTester, you will not see a navigation tree as there are no user journeys installed within the installation. To bring user journeys into your installation, either record a user journey against your application or import a user journey from an export file. When you have a user journey within your installation, the navigation tree will appear and you'll be able to navigate around the nodes within the tree, and by selecting a node, see the details on the right hand side of the screen. The first node for a user journey is the user journey node itself. This has key information about the user journey, including the speed at which the journey will run, whether requests and responses should be logged, and also HTTP specific configuration details. In addition, advanced settings can be accessed to do with security and low-level HTTP settings if required. A user journey is made up of a set of web pages that simulate the business transaction. As you can see from the names of these web pages, this transaction searches for and buys a book from a bookstore. A web page is identified by the double step icon, and if you wish to see the requests that make up the web page, simply explode it to see each of the individual requests. The details of an individual request can be seen by simply clicking on the request. Depending on the type of the request, i.e. whether it's an HTTP GET, POST or some other type, different details will be shown on the right hand side of the screen. Once again, as with user journeys, there are advanced settings for steps, and these include access to the HTTP headers. If the user journey had been recorded using this installation of StressTester as opposed to being imported, as well as seeing details of each web page and each request, I would also have access to the responses that were received by the user during the recording. By clicking on the Response tab, I can see the whole of the web page, and if I wish to see the HTML source behind that page, I simply click on the Source tab. As well as available for web pages, this is also available for each individual request within the web page. This is the GIF for the checkout button, and there you can see the image.